When is my hair going to grow back? This question has always been a hot topic for all of our patients because the procedure of hair transplant is actually a long-term procedure. Results are not instant, but let me walk you through the details on what to expect after your hair transplant. So in the first couple of weeks and up to 3 months, your body will enter a shock loss state where you will start losing your hair rapidly, the transplanted hair. At this point, there is nothing to freak out about. You don't need to be afraid. This is something completely normal and natural. The new grafts are adjusting to their new place. And after 3 months, this hair will start growing without falling whatsoever, which means after 3 months, you will be able to see the distribution of the transplanted hair over the scalp. Around the mark of 6 months, your hair will become just like any other hair you have on your head, the one you naturally have. And 10 to 12 months, you will be able to see your final results. And if you ever decided to choose our clinic and found our most beloved influencers' videos everywhere on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, and everywhere, Ben Heine, if you ever found his videos and wanted to come to us because you saw his videos and because you saw his results, remember that you are able to get either €150 discount directly on your procedure or get a free 6 months vitamin back that will help you in the future to take care of your transplanted hair and make sure it grows healthy.